Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, if you haven't guessed it, I'm doing something from Mama of Thailand. What we got here is their new cup instant rice noodles crab curry flavor, and this is the Mama signature variety. Check that out. Okay. Crab curry. It looks good on the picture. Curious how it'll be. Guess it's time to find out and take the lid off. What we got in here? It comes with an included Trident style fork. Then we have a multitude of sachets. Here's what the noodles look like. Vermicelli. And I don't know, maybe they're not thin enough to be vermicelli, but they're rice noodles. And we've got 3 sachets, and those sachets are going in here, folks. Got some vegetables. I'll let you look down in the cup. So here is the veg. We've got a dry mix. And then we have a paste. Get that in there, we'll get all this action going for you, okay? Okay. Well, now we have to fill it up to this line here with boiling water. We got some pretty hot stuff right here, so let's do that. And that goes for 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3, boom. So yeah, I do love Mama, mainly because I love Thailand and I miss it. Really nice people that my sister came with me when we went to Thailand. That was in 2015. That was, I believe, the first trip. Yeah, had to be. But yeah, it was the first trip. 2014 we went to Malaysia, and I went there with my wife, but then we decided we're gonna have a kid, of course, so we ended up, or she stayed here and I brought my sister with me. She had fun, she really enjoyed that. And next year went to Thailand, and the year after that, or no, Taiwan for the following 2 years. And then I haven't been to Asia since, and it hurts. Man, I miss it over there. It's so nice. Everybody's so nice. I mean, yeah, I'm the ramen raider guy, so I'm hanging out with people who work for big companies and stuff. But no, I really got an honest sense about people over there, and that they're really nice. So, yeah. But this sounds really good. I'm definitely in the mood for something curry today. I've been working on this whole walking deal, and today's the last day of the challenge part of it. And yeah, I am ready to maybe get done and hey, have a beer or two tonight. I actually decided to switch off of having really dark, heavy beers. I don't know, they just like always leave me feeling like bleh. So I used to really like tiger beer from Singapore, but I got a bottle or two of Taiwan beer from Taiwan, so that's what I'm going with. Hopefully tonight, only if I win. If I win the challenge, I'll have fun. But if I don't win, I'm gonna be like impossible to live with. Sorry, sweetie. Yeah, I know, but I'm gonna win. Let me see. Last time I looked, I was 10 miles ahead of him. Right now, yeah, he's moved a little bit, but not much. I'm still about 10 miles ahead of him, and it ends in 7 hours. So as soon as I'm done with reviewing, this is my second of 3, I'm gonna just like start walking back and forth like a psychopath and bury them in my numbers. So we'll see. But a real competitor, that guy from India. Oh, this smells freaking good. I'm going to do a couple cross cuts with a pair of kitchen scissors just to make it a little more manageable. Well, let's give it a try. So the whole thing is supposedly 200 calories. I believe that's what it says on the side. Man, that's spicy. Woo! Strong spiciness, getting a bit of a coconut thing, a bit of a curry thing, and a bit of a crab thing. As advertised. Look at that broth. That's a knockout. I like that. Let's make sure you can see it. No. Wow. A lot of lemongrass. A lot of. And these little pieces, that's either crab or imitation crab. I think it's crab stick. Either way, yeah, this thing's a nice little knockout. I like it. Very good. Thank you for sharing, Mama. And let's gussy it up a little bit. I don't have any crab. It still blows my mind how much you can go to the store and get a little can of crab. It's like $5-8. That's just a lot of money for crab. And if you want fresh crab, that's already like just crab meat. That's where, yeah. And that's really all I want. I don't even know if you can preserve that stuff. Like crack open a can of that and like if it'll keep for any amount of time. It's tough because what I get for reviewing, generally, I go for stuff that, I mean, I don't mind spending extra if it's something I'm going to use all of it. But crab for one review, it's hard. It's hard. I've got these tomatoes from my last one. But the next one could use some tomato. So I'm just going to use one piece of tomato. The next one definitely won't be using bell peppers, so I'll use a little bit of bell pepper on this one. This is the mood I'm in. I don't know, what do you call this? Tragic? I don't know. I've been in this mood for a while now. Like that. And where'd you go? You're right in front of my eyes. Here's some red pepper flake. And I think, as with the last review, I really want to use some more of this stuff. I get on a really big kick for this. It's just fried onion, but they're in huge pieces, so you can really decide on the coarseness that you want just by how hard you crunch it. I think a slight dusting of it. Over there. Oops. What do you call this? Kind of wistful? Remember how it used to be? Before the internet? Before 9/11? Before COVID? These are the days of future past, my friends. The time is now, and tomorrow will look nothing like today. So if you like today, live for today. And your noodles. Here we go. All right, thank you to the folks over at Mama of Thailand. I appreciate all the samples and stuff. And I also want to say thank you for the nice words. Most of you know that my mom just recently passed, and they sent a nice note along about it, and I really appreciate it. So, yeah, it's kind of interesting. The company's called Mama. I miss my mama. So, all right, this has been Hans the Ramen Rainer wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.